Welcome to Excel in U. Let's review using quick keys in Excel. Let's begin with using Tab and Enter. Tab allows me to move to the right one cell at a time, and Enter, like a typewriter, brings me down one row and brings me back to the initial column I started in so I can continue to use Tab. Great for entering data in large worksheets. Next, let's use Ctrl-A. Ctrl-A one time will auto-select the range of cells I'm currently working in. A second time will auto-select the entire worksheet. Next, we'll use Ctrl-Q to open up a quick formatting bar for a range of cells. Ctrl-Q does not work great in merged cells, so do be mindful to select cells that are not merged. Next, we can use Ctrl-Z. If I enter data that I did not mean to, or perform a task I did not want to, I can go back by using Ctrl-Z to undo it. Ctrl-F is how we open up our Find and Replace search bar. Ctrl-C, X, and V work very closely with each other. These are our copy, cut, and paste. So if I choose to copy information, I can paste it in other locations. I can undo that with Z. And then I can go to Cut, which is Ctrl-X. I can cut information from one location and paste it somewhere else. You notice that copy leaves an original copy in the first cell and duplicates it in the next. Cut removes the information from the first cell and moves it to the next cell of your choice. And again, Ctrl-Z to undo. If I need to print the page I'm working on, I can use Ctrl-P. Go back to get back to our page. Ctrl-S will auto-save your file. Now my file is already saved, so when I hit Ctrl-S, nothing new happens. If your file is not yet saved, Ctrl-S will open up your Save toolbar to be able to choose your location for saving as well as the name of your file. Ctrl-N will open up a new worksheet. And then formatting within cells can quickly be done with Ctrl-B for bold, Ctrl-I for italicize, and Ctrl-U for underline, just like in a word processor. Ctrl-Z to undo those as needed. Let me know what other quick keys you use in Excel to help you navigate and format quickly. Have a great day.